Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So let's head over to your Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right and then head over to the gear icon. Uh, And in here, you have to head over to your account center. So once it is loaded, you will find your password and security option in the account settings. So head over there and then tap on two-factor authentication. See? And it may take some time to load. And then select your Facebook account. Starting sila. Again, I'm back. And here you have to give your code that has been sent to your email. And then you can continue and follow the prompt to set up your two-factor authentication. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.